To take advantage of Robinhood Gold, you first need to understand what it is. Robinhood Gold is a premium service offered by the popular trading app Robinhood that provides additional features and benefits to its users. The first step to using Robinhood Gold is to sign up for the service. This can be done directly from the Robinhood app by going to the account settings and selecting the option to upgrade to Robinhood Gold. You will be required to pay a monthly fee of $5, which will be deducted from your account balance. One of the key features of Robinhood Gold is the ability to trade with margin, also known as buying on margin. This means that you can borrow money from Robinhood to buy more stocks than you would be able to with just your own money. However, be aware that trading with margin can be risky, as you will be required to pay back the borrowed amount plus interest. Another feature of Robinhood Gold is access to professional research reports from Morningstar. These reports provide in-depth analysis of companies and can be a valuable tool for making informed investment decisions. To get the most out of Robinhood Gold, it is essential to have a solid understanding of investing and trading. You should also have a clear investment strategy and be aware of the risks involved. It is also crucial to monitor your account regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. In addition to the features mentioned, Robinhood Gold also offers extended hours trading, which allows you to trade before and after the regular market hours. This can be beneficial for responding to news and events that occur outside of regular trading hours. To summarize, taking advantage of Robinhood Gold requires a solid understanding of investing and trading, as well as a clear investment strategy. By using the features provided by Robinhood Gold, such as margin trading and professional research reports, you can potentially increase your returns and make more informed investment decisions. However, it is essential to be aware of the risks involved and to use these features responsibly.